Hello everybody and welcome back to Jazzy61. So today's video is a little bit different than my regular videos because it's something happening that does not normally happen. As you guys probably already tell from the title, it is a hair unboxing. Before I get into the video, for the people that are new, hello, my name is Jazz. I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, and sometimes beauty. This kind of falls into that beauty part. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, sometimes on Saturday. If I do not post on Friday, I don't like missing videos. I post every all those days at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And to my returning subscribers, hello guys, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning into another one of my videos. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into what makes this video so exciting for me today. Before I get going, you guys, on this video, I want to let you guys know if you hear anything in the background. My little man is running around. My husband is not off work yet, but I want to get this video done. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. So the thing that makes this video so exciting is that it's technically kind of sponsored by someone today, which is great, you guys. I was reached out to by a company called Youngther, Youngther. I'll put the name somewhere below this so I make sure I don't butcher it. They reached out to me and asked me if I would test out some of their hair for them, review some of their hair for them, let them know what I think of it. So they sent me some of their hair over here. And I'm going to get into the hair and the unboxing. I just got the package about 10 minutes ago. So you guys can see it's about time for a new do. So this came perfectly, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get into what the actual hair looks like, how much it costs, the length of the hair, all that good stuff, as well as what's coming in this box with the hair. So let's get into it. So first thing, this is the box that it came in. They are a Amazon company, but they have an Amazon store. They reached out to me about maybe a week ago. And everything came super quick. I placed the order for the hair, I want to say on Wednesday or Thursday. I'll make sure if it's something different, I'll put it somewhere around me so you guys can see. And I just got it today. It is Monday the 15th. So yeah, let me open this box. All right, so here is what comes in the box, you guys. Oh, it's not. So what they actually sent me was pre-stretched 26-inch braiding hair in the color 1B, which is great because that's the color I use in my hair anyway. I'm going to show you guys. Here's the package that it came in. Oh, this is nice. They have a little Ziploc baggie. And they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They sent me 8 packs of this hair. As I said, it's pre-stretched 26-inch braiding hair in the color 1B, and it is a hot water set type of hair. So you know, this is the type of hair that you dip to seal the ends, so they don't unravel, or you dip them to make the style that you're going for, whether it be, you know, waves or twists or spirals, whatever. And this is what one of the packs looks like. Hold on, let me see if I can get it all the way down to the end here. So it kind of shows. Here is the label, and there's their name there. And it's actually really pretty hair. I'm gonna like open one of the ends so I can kind of feel it and stuff, just to make sure that I'm like, you know, sometimes they have like strange smells and things like that. No weird smell to it, nothing like that, which is awesome. And it just feels like regular old braiding hair, but not like that really wavy kind of, what's that company called? Expression? You know, they have that really long pack of like 82 inches of hair in it. It's like, it's not like that. So I'm excited to put it into my head, you guys. It actually looks really cool. Okay, so they said to me 8 packs of that. And also in the bag is a little card that comes with all the different styles that you can do to the hair. Oh, there should be, I guess, a gift in here too. Okay, I'll get to that in a second. But all the different styles you can do with the hair, all the different colors that come with the hair. On the back, there's also the name of the vendor themselves and how you can reach them on social media. Hold on, just kind of how you can reach them on social media. And then also in the bag, they give you a latch hook, which that's cool. So I got 3. Now it's my 3rd one. A couple of hair bead thingies, like hair jewelry. This is like a small mirror. Yes, it's a small hand mirror. Some clips for when you're doing your hair. And a couple of scrunchies. So they pretty much have to send everything that you will probably need to do your hair in the bag with the hair itself, which is pretty cool. I think that's nice. I'm probably gonna order more hair accessories because, you know, I like to bling mine out a little bit more with different types of things. So I'll probably order a little bit more of stuff like that. But other than that, I think this is gonna be kind of enough to do whatever style. I'm thinking of something a little bit bulkier, some thicker braids. This hair, as I said, is on Amazon. It's an Amazon company. They do most of like braiding styles. So you will see the hair for passion twist. You will see the hair for the chunky twist. You'll see braiding hair, and they have a variety of colors. The good thing about this company is everything that they sell it in kind of a bulk, like what you see here. So they'll send you about 7 to 8 packs of whatever it is that they're sending you. The price is actually really good. So for this hair, I already went on to other websites to see how much it costs just to get this hair. Now, some places had it on sale, but normally this hair will run you anywhere between $4 to $7 per pack or per bag of the hair. So you're getting pretty much a good deal. Not pretty much, you're getting a good deal on the hair because of how much they're sending you and how much they're charging for the hair. So if you're paying $4 or $5, and they send you 8 bags, what, $40 for this much hair? Well, this hair costs $27 for 8 bags. Let that sink in. $27 for 8 bags, and that covered the shipping and everything. So I got this hair, as I said, it took less than a week for it to get here, and they have a variety of hairs. And the good thing is they also have ombre hair. So you can get most any color that you want of the hairs that they have, and they'll send it, and it's in bulk. So here go my 8 bags of hair. When I looked online, the place I normally order my hair from, they sold it for $5. $5 if it was just regular, like a dark color, one of the neutral tones. But if it was like an ombre color, it was about $7 or $8. So for me, I would have spent about $40. Probably more actually, because I always add a pop of color. I'm still gonna probably add a pop of color to this hair. I'm not sure how yet, but I know I'm going to. But I would have probably spent between $40 and $50, and that's not including the shipping and handling charges. So $27 and some change is so much better than spending $40 or $50 for this hair. I saw the same thing happening with the hair for the passion twist, with the hair for the kinky twist, with the hair for the rope twist, whatever you want to call them. It was more expensive if you were to order them individually packaged, or if you were going to a regular beauty supply store to order them. So this is a really good deal, and I'm so glad that they reached out to me to test this hair out, so I can give you guys a full review of if the hair is good quality, if it actually sets in hot water, and let you know how that goes in general, because you know it's about time for this to come down. As you can already tell, it's getting old. So as I said, it came in perfect time. I can go ahead and do something different to my hair right away. Probably about this weekend, I'll do something different to my hair. But I want to test this hair out for sure. And then I'll come back later on just to see if the hair holds true. I'll probably use the entire length of this hair. Just because I need to know if it's going to be where it's going to land on me. I don't usually do hair this long. So I'll see how it looks here in a moment. Correction, not here in a moment, here in a couple of days.
Two weeks later.
Hello everybody. So I'm going to just start with a small ponytail. As you guys see, I'm using the rubber band method. I want to make sure I detangle my hair to its ends, and then I'm going to put a little hair grease on there. I'm already oiling my scalp after the fact. But I use a spray oil, but you still want to make sure you put enough moisture in your regular hair. That is just a little bit of the Long 8 gel. It's kind of a moisturizing gel that I use. And then I'm also going to use some Shine Jam. I'm just trying to put as much moisture into my hair as I can. And the Shine Jam just kind of helps my hair to tuck better because it's so puffy. It's hard sometimes. After that, I inserted a latch hook underneath that little ponytail holder, and I inserted a section of the hair. You want to turn the latch hook to the side when you're doing this. It makes it come through a lot cleaner, whether as opposed to just pulling it through, because sometimes it snatches hair and leaves it behind. Now this just helps to grip better. You section it as according to however you want to, but just make sure you have 3 sections and then just start to plait down. That's it. That's the entire process, you guys. This was just a lot easier to me because I don't have good grip. I'm not that great at braiding. At first I was trying to insert both pieces of hair under the braid, but it made the ponytail or the little ponytail really loose. And I found that it was just easier because once you put that first piece of hair in, it's a lot easier to grip and to plait. And that piece of hair underneath also helps to conceal the rubber band so that you cannot see it. I am not the greatest braider, you guys, but I can do a decent job when it comes to making my hair look presentable and lasting me for a while. So here I'm just braiding the hair all the way down. Not fully to the ends because you're going to eventually dip it as well, but braiding the hair down as close as you can to the bottom. That way it does not unravel. I know my face looks crazy, you guys. I don't know what that face is. Then I'm going to trim. As you can see that there's some extra straggly pieces and some pieces sticking out to the side. But this doesn't get all of the hairs. As I said, I'm not an expert braider, you guys. I don't tuck very well, so I burned it. I know that's old school, but it did tuck the hair in, and I did get away without having to dip my hair as soon because the hair did not unravel. Once you burn it, you want to palm roll it just to make sure that it's laying flat and that the straggly pieces are all gone. If you do it while still hot, it meshes down and you have no problems. I'm just checking the overall look of it now. It's still pretty tight. I did leave out my edges. I'm going to slick those down, but overall, it's okay. Hello everybody. So this is the final look for this hair, you guys. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it helps somebody, especially if you're a girl like me who struggle with grip. I ain't got no grip. I ain't got no grip. This is the struggle grip gang right here. But I hope this tutorial did help you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this from me. I'll definitely do them if you would like. So thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.